How to conference call on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Contacts application on your phone. The Contacts app on iPhone is a built-in application for managing contact information. It allows users to store names, phone numbers, email addresses, and other details for individuals and organizations. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Recents. You can find all your recent call logs over here. If you want to call a person from here, then just tap on their name. Wait for them to receive your call. As you can see, the add option below becomes available only after they receive the call. Now, go to the bottom left corner and tap on Add if you want to add more people to this call. Here, you can search for or select the person you want to add. Once you're here, tap on their mobile number as shown. You are now calling this person as well. Once they receive, tap on Merge Calls below. This will merge both the calls into one. Following these steps, you can easily conference call on iPhone.